Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I will be showing you how you can create wedding invites using Canva. If that's something you're interested in seeing, stay tuned. In this video, I will be making an invitation for a wedding, but you can use Canva to make invitations and documents for any type of event. Once you logged into Canva, head up to Create a Design. In the search bar, type invitation. This invitation will be in portrait orientation and it'll be 5x7. So since I'm creating an invitation, Canva gives you some templates that you can use as inspiration for your design. So with this invite, I actually had already designed it before, but I'm going to show you how I did it. So just a disclaimer, this invite is not an actual invite. It was part of some templates that I had created. This invite is really easy to make. All I used were some design elements, and I used some watercolor florals and text. So now I'm going to add a blank page so that I can show you how this all comes together. So first I'm going to add in some text. So if you hit T on your keyboard, it brings up a text box. As far as for the wording for the invite, all you have to do is go to Google and type in wedding invites wording, and it'll show up with some sites that give you some examples of wording that you can put on the invite. And like I said, this is a wedding invite specifically, but if you have some other type of invite and you need help with what words should go on there, all you have to do is just type that into Google. And so once I typed that in Google, I picked one of the results, and here you can see it gives you a few examples of some wording for the invitation. And now I'm just going to continue typing in the text. So using this page here, I was able to drag from the rulers over onto the document some guidelines to kind of help me keep the text where the text is supposed to be. So this is the floral element that I used in this design, and I purchased it off Etsy, and it came in a set of some other floral elements as well. But here is the Etsy shop that I purchased it from. So the name of the Etsy shop that I purchased the floral graphics from is called Watercolor Clip Arts. And the cool thing about this shop is that you get a commercial license included in each listing. So once you get your graphic that you're going to use, you can duplicate it several times. You can make some larger, some smaller, and kind of arrange them how you'd like. Group those elements together, and then you can just copy and paste into the opposite corner. Since I have the flowers where I want them, now is on to the fun part, picking the font. So when I previously designed this invitation for the main text, the font was Solomon Sands, but since I don't have Canva Pro, I'm unable to use that font, so I'm going to go in and find a font that's pretty similar. Another sans font. I actually didn't realize that the default font is actually a sans font. It's called Canva Sans. So I can leave it like this, or I can change it to something else. So I'm actually going to use one of the fonts that Canva recommends for the document. The font is called TT Chocolates. Now the font that I use for their names it's called Jour Script. So now with their names, I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller and increase the space in between Catherine and the and John part. In order to change the spacing in between their names, all you have to do is click on the text box. Head right up here to the spacing icon. And what we want to do is increase the line spacing. You could also increase or decrease the spacing in between each letter. So here's the final invite for Catherine and John's fictional wedding. If you like this video, let me know by hitting the like button. Is there anything else you want to see me create using Canva? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more videos like this and other art-related content. And as always, thanks for watching.